Muthenya umwe thutha wa mogaruruku ma utongoria gutafanio ngwataniro-ini ya Azimio na Kalonzo Musyoka wa kiama kia Wiper kwamurwo ta mutongoria wa Azimio, riu ciama iria ciumbite ngwataniro yo ni cionanitie kwaga kuiganira gwacio na mogaruruku macio. One thutha wa utongoria wa ciama cia United Democratic Party na National Liberal Party kuga itinakuruhanio thiini wa gukinyaniria mogaruruku maya.
We are upheld as Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition political party affiliates that this is amounting to political deceit camouflaged as democracy from our coalition partners who clandestinely and unprocedurally held a purported Azimio meeting and deliberated on the coalition affairs, among them filling the vacant positions and removal of officials from both the National Executive Committee and the Council, among other issues.
Riu ciama ici ni ciuritie wabici ya mwandikithia wa ciama guku bururi-ini ndigakindire mogaruruku maya kuona marakinyanirio mugaru na watho.
We the undersigned founding Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Coalition political party affiliates reject in totality the resolutions submitted to the office of the Register of Political Parties, and we caution the Register of Political Parties to desist and stop or halt the processing of the said changes because we term them illegal, null, and void, failure to which we shall undertake to seek legal redress in a competent court of law.
Oni ciugite undu urakinyanirio na njira ya hitho nene riu ikienda maandiko ma mucemanio ucio uria ratongoragio ni uria wari President Uhuru Kenyatta marekererio na maratathi ma kuonania ni amarari mucemanio-ini ucio ona mo marekererio guku makiuga ciama iria nene thiini wa ngwataniro iyo ikoretwo ikiguna na mamilioni ma mbeca cia Azimio na gutiga ciama iria nini itari na uhoti ona wa kurugamirira mahuthiro ma wabici.
Expect that even after the death of our former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, it could have been courteous enough of His Excellency the President at least to call the affiliate political parties to have a meeting and ensure that how do we have continuity after his demise. But in this grand scheme of things, you will realize that there are political brokers who hurriedly misled the former president to convene an Azimio meeting and install themselves in office, and the people who are even being installed in office, some of them are not even with us.
Thiini wa mogaruruku maria marakinyanirio muthenya wa ira, Kalonzo Musyoka ni uramurirwo gutuika mutongoria wa Azimio guthinga ithenya ria mutigaire Raila Odinga guku mubunge wa Suna East Junet Mohamed akieherio gituro-ini kia mwandiki munene wa ngwataniro iyo na ithenya riake riraheo mubunge wa Suba Karori Omondi guku nake uria wari karani wa mucii wa Nairobi Philip Kisia akiamurwo ta murugamiriri munene wa ngwataniro iyo.